Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About negative s, we can put into negative 3s, positive 2s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. This one by number 2. So we can do another factorization by s minus number 3. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 2 and b over s minus number 3. Now we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s minus number 3, so capital 8 multiplied by s minus number 3. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 2, so capital B multiplied by s plus number 2. Now we need to expand, and we have like this. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of s. We need to compare coefficients. We just have only number 1, so a plus b equals to number 1. About the numbers, we have this one equals to negative 13. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 1, negative 3a plus 2b equals to negative 13. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to number 3 and b equals to negative number 2. So I will put 8 and b go on here. So 8 equals to number 3, b equals to negative number 2. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.